Hello everyone, I would like to introduce another application made by Mr. Borrega, and welcome to a demonstration of the curriculum and syllabus instructional intelligence system. In this video, I will showcase how this platform streamlines curriculum development, syllabus mapping, pacing guide generation, and lesson planning through an integrated educational workflow powered by intelligent automation. The system begins with the Academic Course Setup Wizard, where educators can establish the foundation of an entire academic program. Teachers and curriculum developers can select the country, educational standards, grade level, subject classification, and course category. These selections become the framework that guides all future curriculum decisions generated by the platform. Rather than manually organizing hundreds of instructional requirements, the system automatically aligns academic structures according to the selected educational framework. One of the key strengths of this platform is its flexibility. Whether the institution follows a United States curriculum, a Philippine curriculum, or another international framework, the system can adapt course structures and academic calendars accordingly. Educators can configure term structures, grade levels, scheduling parameters, and instructional expectations while maintaining consistency across the entire school year. This ensures that curriculum development remains organized, scalable, and aligned with institutional goals. As the setup process continues, the platform gathers all critical academic information necessary for curriculum generation. Instead of creating curriculum maps manually, teachers can define the instructional direction and allow the system to build structured academic pathways. This dramatically reduces planning time while preserving educational quality and standards alignment. Every decision made during setup becomes part of a connected ecosystem that supports curriculum mapping, pacing guides, lesson plans, assessments, and instructional tracking. After the course configuration is completed, the platform transitions into curriculum development and syllabus construction. The system organizes learning objectives into logical sequences, helping educators visualize how topics progress throughout the school year. This process creates a comprehensive curriculum map that serves as the instructional blueprint for teachers and administrators. By establishing clear learning progressions, the platform helps ensure that standards, competencies, and learning outcomes are addressed systematically. The pacing guide component transforms curriculum objectives into a practical instructional timeline. Teachers can automatically distribute lessons across quarters, semesters, or customized academic periods. The system calculates instructional flow while considering academic calendars, term structures, and scheduling requirements. This eliminates much of the repetitive work traditionally associated with long-term instructional planning. The result is a detailed pacing guide that provides a clear roadmap for the entire academic year. One of the most powerful features demonstrated in this video is the ability to generate lesson plans directly from approved pacing guides. Once the pacing structure is established, the lesson plan architect can instantly create detailed instructional plans based on selected learning objectives and curriculum expectations. This allows educators to move seamlessly from curriculum design to classroom implementation without recreating information multiple times. The platform maintains continuity across every stage of the planning process. The daily lesson plan mode enables teachers to generate individual instructional sessions with remarkable efficiency. Educators can define instructional contexts, enrichment activities, remediation strategies, hands-on laboratory experiences, project-based learning opportunities, and differentiated learning approaches. The system then organizes these elements into structured lesson plans aligned with curriculum goals and pacing requirements. This ensures consistency while still allowing teachers to customize learning experiences for their students. Beyond lesson generation, the platform functions as a centralized academic management environment. Curriculum maps, pacing guides, lesson plans, calendars, and instructional resources remain interconnected throughout the system. This integration helps reduce administrative workload while improving instructional planning accuracy. Teachers, department heads, curriculum coordinators, and school administrators can all benefit from a unified workflow that supports academic consistency and accountability. Another important advantage is scalability. The system can manage multiple subjects, grade levels, academic years, and curriculum frameworks simultaneously. Whether supporting a single classroom teacher or an entire educational institution, the platform is designed to adapt to evolving academic requirements while maintaining organized records and standardized planning procedures. This makes it a valuable tool for both instructional delivery and curriculum management. As demonstrated throughout this video, the Borrega curriculum and syllabus instructional intelligence system is more than a curriculum generator. It is a complete academic planning ecosystem designed to simplify course creation, automate curriculum alignment, generate pacing guides, build lesson plans, and support educational excellence through intelligent workflow integration. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Created by Mr. Borrega, and this project represents an ongoing effort to provide educators with smarter, faster, and more effective tools for academic planning and instructional design. We look forward to continuing its development and expanding its capabilities to support schools, teachers, and learners around the world.